Starting and running a successful pest control business isn't an easy task, with lots of complexities, especially on how to attract new customers without breaking the bank. Are you open to grow your business so you can have a better winter and a great summer? DMA Consulting is your ride into a better bottom line. DMA Consulting has been delivering cutting-edge technology to pest control companies for over 30 years and has now created an affordable online marketing solution for small businesses that won't cost thousands. Our approach is to first redo your website to meet the modern search criteria and style. We then lay an SEO foundation added to the over 70 local search engines in your area to get more leads and attract new visitors. We will set up an automated system where your customers can give feedback, as well as a landing page geared for specific keywords and attached to directories and backlinks. We will provide tools to help you with email and social media marketing set up for the month, making your online presence easier. Also, we will create a YouTube channel with video content that will show up in searches. Summer, the prime time for pest control, is winding down, and now is the time to grow your business. Get started today. Call 321-235-5700 or email mark@dmaworld.com to learn more about how we can make your business thrive.